Every RSS drain with a twist comes with an adapter for standard FHA drains. To prepare your adapter, first remove the top bolted-on section of your FHA drain. Then ensure that the remaining installed part of the drain is clean. In our case, we'll need to drill 4 3/8 of an inch holes in our adapter. However, the number of holes that you need to drill may vary depending on the drain you're adapting to. Use the removed piece of your FHA drain to mark on your adapter where you'll need to drill your holes. Make sure to use the small ends of the holes. Once the location of your holes are marked, remove the top section of the FHA drain from your adapter and drill your holes. Next, apply a 1/2 inch continuous bead of RSS sealant around each hole on the bottom side of the drain adapter. The bottom of the adapter is the side that will rest against the FHA drain when we install it. You can also just reference the adapter shown here. Apply 2 more continuous beads of RSS sealant as shown. The drain adapter is now ready to be set in place. Line the adapter up with the bolt holes in the remaining part of the FHA drain and set it into place. Start each bolt by hand, but finish tightening them down using a wrench. The bolts should be snug, but don't over-tighten them. Excess sealant should have squeezed out from around the bottom of the adapter. Clean this off. Now, add a continuous bead of sealant around the head of each bolt. This helps ensure a waterproof seal. Your RSS drain with the twist can now be installed as normal. Adhesive cement will need to be applied to the inside of your RSS drain's bonding flange. In our case though, an RSS tile-ready shower pan needs to be installed first. For more information on how to install an RSS shower pan, or how to finish installing the RSS drain with a twist, watch our related videos in the description down below. If you have any other questions or want to learn even more about our products, you can visit our website with the QR code on screen, or using another link down in the video description.